This 2025 CrossRoads Zinger 18RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features a granite gray interior, sleeps 4, LP detector, self-contained, stovetop burner, air conditioning, microwave, awning, water heater, refrigerator, and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 CrossRoads Zinger 18RB is 3,386 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.